Hello, everyone. Today, we will be doing something really interesting. I will tell you the 5 top most visited spots in my opinion. If you want to add anything not on the list, leave it in the comments. Grab your popcorn, put the video on full screen and enjoy. Well, it may not be as popular right now, but lots of events that attract a lot of people are hosted in the HQ. Also, it is where a lot of high-ranking division members go to when they are off duty. Oh, we have a trespasser. ERT, go get them. Give the ERT a round of applause. Now, let's go see which place is number 4. I put the MP recruitment at number 4 because it is where a lot of new players go to enter the base. Not to mention, it is where MP and SPU spawn. Now, let's go see which spot is at number 3. I put the gate at number 3 because it is where all citizens are processed to go into the base. Sometimes, the Crimson Raiders will come in here to try to enter the base and cause chaos. Thankfully, lots of divisions come here and protect the base. Following this announcement, any unit is eligible to patrol if there is over 5 or 6 with them. This enhances roleplaying and makes the gate safer. Finally, the gate is one of the more easier ways to enter the base, making it attract lots of players. Now, let's go see the spot that is at number 2. As we can see, USMC is visited regularly and it is a really active division. It holds a lot of subdivisions including As you can see, they have a lot of subdivisions that each do a part on making USMC a really good division. It also has a really high visit rate. Now, let's move on to the number 1 spot. The parade squares are visited very often. It is like a hub where you can train and talk to people. It is also where you can join the divisions you like. For new players, I recommend you join enlisted trainings as that is a way you can rank up to meet divisional tryout requirements. Some easy divisions you can join are USMC and the Navy as it only requires you to be E5. Now, let's move on to the honorable mentions. The hangar is visited often because of tryouts, making it really popular. Only enter if you are a divisional personnel or attending a tryout. The OB is visited quite often due to many reasons. You may be testing your OB skills or attending a training. Of course, my OB skills are already amazing. Okay, it is probably the way. Well, point made. However, if you ever need PK test your OB skills like me, this is the place to go. This is why it is visited a lot.